What's up guys, it's Niveshan here from Nick Striker. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to edit in Canva. So in the previous tech video I posted how to get Canva Pro for free. So as you know, if you watched the last video, you know what is Canva. So for the new viewers, Canva is a website where you can design photos, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, videos. You can do your marketing works, office works, anything you want. It's like a dream for you guys. And so make sure you watch my previous tech video, then only you can catch up from this video. If not it will be hard to catch up. So first of all, thank you so much for the previous video. It hit 1k views, my shorts video. Thank you so much for all of you who watched my video. And then thank you so much for the previous tech video too. It hit 284 views in a few days, in 12 days. So thank you so much for all who watched my video. So let's start. So first I have to create the design, which is over here. And if you and also this is like a part 2, because in the previous video I have teached you. Okay, so first you have to click create a design, and what you have to do, you can go custom size and you can edit photo and you can import file, but you can go into the editing place and you can import the file there. It's even more easier. So you can hit custom size if you know the size. If you don't know the size, you can so what is your so then you can you can search and click what you want to do. So if you want to do a flyer, you can click at flyers. You want to do a desktop wallpaper, you can click here. You can do your Facebook story, you can click here. A card for sending it to your neighbor, you can send here. LinkedIn banner, a t-shirt design, and you can do so many things. Okay, so first I'm going to do a YouTube thumbnail. So first of all, I click YouTube thumbnail, so I will go inside a new tab. And before that, YouTube is telling me that 68% of you guys are not subscribed, so make sure you hit that tick boy. And if you want to support me, please like the video. I think that's the opposite. Make sure you subscribe if you want to support me and hit the tick like button. Okay, so if you want to insert some uploads, you can insert over. Okay, so I can add my own. If you want to design, you can add your own background thingies, but I want to do template. So template is really recommended for everything. So if you scroll down, so I have a new problem for Canva Pro, the free one. You have to click that link as fast as you can, ASAP, because only 3,000 people can access in the link for 1 month. So make sure you click the link on the first day, a really early time. So make sure you do that, guys. Now I'm unable to use the Canva Pro because I clicked it late. Okay, so now we can find some thumbnails, or we can search over here YouTube tech video. That's your wish, you want to search video or the one. Okay, so see now, and here you go, there's one. So we have the phone best smartphone of the year. So what we can do is I'm sorry for the background, and guys, it's a notification on my phone. Okay, so you click here, so you can erase the text over here and you can write how to design a YouTube thumbnail. I can even do this. If you are a little joker, you can do that if you want. It's your wish. Okay, so a minute, guys. So this is all in one. So here you go, how to design a YouTube thumbnail. So I'll go here and click in Canva. So I'll click there, and I can't drag. I don't know why. That's really sad. It's all linked together, so that's a little That's a thing that it makes you hard to design. No, but not for all this one. This is like really rare, so don't worry. Canva is still a really good software, guys. Don't get worried if for this. You can still take another template. So I have the Canva for here. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this is a really good tip. I'm gonna take a screenshot and then screenshot from like over here. I'm not sure whether it's recording. Okay, so I click here, then save it. Okay, so I saved it. So now I'm gonna go to uploads, upload media, and then the screenshot. I open it, and then boom. So now I'm gonna shrink it a bit, and then boom. So I want to take this Canva and put over here, and take this thing. I want to rotate it using the rotate feature. Rotate over here. And guys, this is just the beginning video. I will put the advanced in another time. Okay, so I'm gonna put shrink this, and then a little bigger for this. And yeah, this is really good. So this is how you design a Canva design, guys. So just a little advertisement. We'll be right back. Okay, so guys, here you go. This is my design. Not too advanced. It's just a simple design, and so that's it. Okay guys, so I just adjust it, and this is how you create a simple Canva design. So in a few videos one of them I will upload how to create an advanced thumbnail. Anything I'll do, anything Canva design. So this is how you do Canva, guys, and you can even insert text from here. So you can insert and you can resize it like that, but I prefer the white normal classic text. So I prefer the white text. And so that is all, guys. So if you like the video, make sure you smash the like button, share this video to the guys who want to design, have a YouTube channel, need this thing really good. You go about your friends, guys, and make sure you comment what you want in the next video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to get more awesome tech features videos. So this is the end of the video, guys. Bye.